Grilled cheese is an all-American classic, and today, we'll be adding a twist to it. I'm Donald Cleopatra, chef, philanthropist, and meme template, and this is Cleopatra's Cookery. The ingredients you'd usually use are bread, cheese, and butter. But today, our twist is onions. First, preheat your skillet. And if you don't have a skillet, then get out of my kitchen! Next, generously lather one slice of bread with butter. Oh, butter, baby. Butter in. Now, lay on a slice of beautiful mozzarella. Then, sprinkle some sultry onions on your archibald. After that, slather on some more butter on a second piece of bread. Bread in. Grill in a low heat as not to burn it, like a donkey. Wait until it's lightly brown, then flip over. Wait until lightly brown, then flip over. Continue until the cheese is melted. Now the final step is checking the cheese pull. And if your cheese doesn't pull, you've messed it up. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah! Yeah! And that's how you make a grilled cheese, mates. Now get in your kitchen and make it yourselves! Thank you so much for watching. I'm Donald Cleopatra, and I'll see you in your nightmares.